The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a huge commitment by DeFi to the whole world. Not on the grounds that there are very few late players during the pandemic, but since relatively few have decided to work from an alternate organization through and through. Standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution, AMP is known to run on Fleexa network, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is a definite AMP price prediction referenced here. A definitive target of this token being exactly something similar to ensure exchanges and innate information, making them more moment and secure. Based on the Ethereum blockchain, as per the ERC20 standard for tokens, AMP provides clients with the accommodation of trading in fiat or some other computerized monetary forms. What makes AMP unique? Fleexa organization's local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and insure on any type of significant worth trade, be it advanced installments, government-issued money trade, credit dispersions, property deals, and then some. A devoted class of experts and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by Fleexa organization and consensus. A thought that changed into a progressive ERC20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and such comparable innovations. AMP token, the lesser known facts a significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization grows, adding to a remarkable expansion in the quantity of diggers. Upheld by a powerful and high data transmission public blockchain stage, the issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching fake or misleading exchanges by peers, wherein an affirmed block can follow the first block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token, and it goes about as security for installments that are made utilizing the Fleexa network and such comparable advancements. The groundwork of AMP is totally dependent on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Thus security snags are captured first. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This noticeable quality makes it extraordinary contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Subsequently, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of AMP tokens as impetuses in executing brilliant agreements and move reserves. AMP token, technical analysis. Going by the specialized investigation, AMP cost has had a notable journey since its send-off, which could be the principal justification for its ubiquity. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0.05174, with a market cap of $2,182,644,204.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume of AMP coin remains at $96,102,579.91 with a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In light of verifiable information, the coin has begun its excursion at $0.0095, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enrolled an unexpected spike and crossed $0.039. From that point onward, it kept on exchanging tolerably till June. On June 16, AMP recorded an unsurpassed high of $0.1211. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop and retested to $0.039. AMP price forecast 2022 to 2026. The vertical pattern has been anticipated absolutely on the benefits of AMP viz. Security and reliability. AMP is a computerized security token that offers irrefutable confirmations collateralization for a Steam move. A further impact on costs for this guarantee token should be visible in light of the inflow of assets by monetary foundations and security token financial backers in the long haul. crypto positions as one of the best 50 digital forms of money, and with this, it will certainly arrive at new levels. Considering the pandemic and vulnerability winning around it, the money portion has endured a significant shot, taking the shortfall of countries to an incredible undeniable level in any event for created nations like the USA. AMP price prediction 2022. There is no certain shot digital currency figure for any of the current AMP crypto coins, thus for AMP gauge. Taking into account the verifiable information and digital currency markets, AMP is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and brokers local area. AMP might support an inspirational perspective, as long as the cost exchanges with numerous bullish moves. The street ahead is loaded with pedals, gave the speculation exhortation or certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling $0.097. AMP price prediction 2023. AMP has laid out a quick, solid biological system and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the AMP with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of 11 cents per coin. If the drive for practical AMP crypto world go on into 2023, the AMP cost might try and see a worldview rush. Also, consequently, as per AMP's cost expectation 2023, it will be productive to put cash in AMP at the ongoing cost to procure great return from now on. AMP price prediction 2024. Many hypotheses are proceeding for AMP. Particularly keeping in context the specialized headways and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on, there is a conjecture that the AMP cost might reach 14 cents. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and versatility highlights. The interesting limited time adventures might wrap up, making the clients reap the additions. AMP price prediction 2025. The usefulness behind AMP is cut by the brains. Throughout the following 5 years, the token is set to hurry up with other cryptographic forms of money to show up at a cost of 17 cents. A stunning good faith is anticipated for AMP, primarily because of its reliable presentation throughout the following 4 years. Subsequently, dealers ought to allude to our AMP figure before they put resources into AMP. AMP price prediction 2026. On the off chance that the market turns ideal, AMP cost is set to break all hindrances and perform richly, scaling the top soon according to our gauge. Violating all constraints throughout the following year, the AMP token would definitely give indications of fortune. Clients can properly investigate things and remember AMP for their portfolio alongside other AMP crypto cost expectation coins for bringing in